Looks really nice. And once again, you see in this light, you can see that. But a paint correction will fix most of that, and she would look awesome. Just a view out here in the sun. All right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We got 70,672 miles on the odometer. Absolutely gorgeous in here. You got a backup camera with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Super nice. Smells good in here. This is a great example of an 86 here. Love it. Love the interior color as well. Turn the AC off so we can hear a little bit more. That steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Hitting the brakes, I don't feel any vibrations or any weird movements like that, so super nice. And check out this turning radius and this power steering. She's solid. That's a great turning radius. Very windy today, so you're going to hear a little bit of wind noise, but nothing out of the ordinary in my opinion. She drives straight as a whistle, hands off the wheel. I'm going to hit the brakes kind of hard here. Oh yeah, she stops good. No complaints on the drivability. Gets up and goes, nice and smooth. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Here on the wheel, very little wear. Not seeing rash on it. Date code on the tires is 2021. They look like they're in great condition. Got a ton of tread left on them, so they're really nice. Looking at that fender, overall she's in great condition. That looks nice. Got a little chip there. Couple flaws on the weather stripping. You do have some chips here, little touch-up spots along this trim. It looks like maybe some very light dings with those as well. Kind of an odd spot, but maybe something was hanging and kind of just tinking it every once in a while. Looking at the door, a couple chips once again, little spot there. Well, the rocker looks really nice. Got some chips along the door edge, and you're gonna have your everyday swirls, you know, just little swirls from just washing it, things like that. Got a chip there. Now we do offer full paint correction as well as ceramic coating here in-house. And so if you wanted to get this thing tip top, we do offer that. We got some more chips along that top there. Here's a good view of the dings. So you're gonna see some dings along that rail. And then looking at that wheel, she's in great condition. Those headlights look good. Same with those. Those are in great condition. Typical chips. You can see the hazy swirls. All of that can look really good with the paint correction. You got some typical chips. I don't see any dings though. And looking at this trim, you have some gashes there. That light looks good. That light is clean. That light looks good. And that one's clean. That lower section looks good. A couple chips here and there. Working our way down that fender. I do see a few chips there. Here on that wheel, a couple little chips, but man, she looks really nice. Tires are in great condition. Couple rock chips. Most of them have been touched up. That mirror's in great condition. Pillar looks nice. Here on that rail, couple chips. Got one right there. Looking at the fender, quarter panel. Oh, that looks good. Couple chips on that wheel. You do have some little fingernail scratches. You have some flaws on the chrome. You have some damage there, probably from removing the top at some point. And then I do see a few dings on that top. Looks like on that back side there's probably 4 or 5. Actually, there's 3 or 4 up there as well. I know that's hard to see. I don't see any dings on the deck lid, but you're gonna see that hazy paint. Like I said, we do paint correction. This would look really good. Couple chips. Taillight clarity is really nice. You got a backup camera, aftermarket there, of course. That taillight looks good. Typical scuffs on that chrome. That trim looks good. I mean, really great condition, actually. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Now you have a little separation, but it looks good, and when you don't touch it, you would never know. The rest of that's in great condition. Man, that looks amazing. Jams look good. These seats look amazing as well. That piping has a little bit of wear. Besides that, absolutely gorgeous seats. Couple scuffs, a little bit of wear on the steering wheel, but I'm not seeing any like chunks missing, things like that. That looks nice. Here on the upper side of the dash, this side looks good. Now you do have a crack right there. The rest of that looks nice. Got the upgraded screen. That looks good. Beautiful interior. Fires right up. Got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, some sort of streaming. Really cool to have. Love the color of this trunk as well, matching the interior. Looks good. Couple scuffs on the underside of that, but for the most part, she's in great condition. You do have your little flaws here and there. A couple imperfections, but really nice. And then you also have a car cover that is included. And then looking at the engine bay, I'm just going to scan through some of this. Which actually looks really good. One thing to note, I've never seen a underhood liner this clean on one of these cars. That is in great condition. All of that looks good.